Hello, welcome back to Survival Addiction. Today we'll be doing another knife review of the Spyderco Tenacious Lightweight. It's a 3.9 inch blade with ACR13 MOV still. And it's 7.7 inches overall. It has an FRN handle. Let's give you a better look at that. I do really like the texture, and the nice thing is you can put this pocket clip wherever you want it. So you can put it here, 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 here. There's 4 different spots you can put it, which is super nice. And Blade HQ sells this for $49.50, which is pretty good. So as far as the design goes, I do really like it. It is a liner lock, and it's relatively straight. So I'd probably give that a 6 out of 10. The color, I love black knives, especially with the satin finish. It just looks really nice. So I'd probably give that a 7 out of 10. And then as far as the price, because it is a Spyderco, I would kind of expect it to be 45 or 50, just because you're also, in addition to the knife, you're also buying the name brand. And this is a relatively good company, so it makes sense why they would charge that. So I'd probably give that a 4 out of 10, just because for the type of steel you're getting, you're not getting the best steel in the world, but you're still paying a pretty good price. And although I like Spyderco, I kind of wish the price was a little bit less, just because of that reason. It's just because the steel is not the best steel in the world. Functionality. Oh yeah, incredibly sharp. And if we try it closer to the tip, looks like it just needs sharpened a little bit, to see what I mean. But when you try it in the middle and towards the end, it cuts pretty smooth. Look at that, it just cuts right through. But yeah, when you go to the front, it doesn't cut very well. See what I mean? So it looks like it just needs sharpened a little bit. So functionality would be a 7 out of 10 because it does its job. It cuts. That's the main purpose of a knife, is to cut. It is a thumb opener. I'm not super good at opening it. Not yet, at least. I've seen people that can do these like so fast you wouldn't even know. But it really is. It is really smooth. It's just I'm not very good at it yet. So that's more my problem than the knife's problem. And then as far as the material, so this still is ACR13 MOV, but the handle's an FRN. So I'd probably give that a 5 out of 10 because it's not like titanium handles and it's not like M390 steel or anything. It's decent material, but it's not like the best material in the world. So overall, that would be a 5 out of 10, and then the total would be 7.25 out of 10 for this knife. So I really do like this knife. It really does feel pretty comfortable. And I feel like this knife would fit small to medium hands. I'm not sure about large. Like, there's quite a bit of room, and there is some jimping right here, which is nice if you're trying to like get up close to something. Like, I don't feel like this is going to move at all, which is really nice. I'm not sure if large hands will fit this, but it's possible. I definitely would recommend it for small or medium hands, since I do have small hands and it fits me really well. With pretty much, it's pretty comfortable. But yeah, thanks for joining in.